हेलो एवरीवन, स्टडी उसर चैनल पे आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में आपके होने वाले एचएसएलसी एग्जाम के लिए सोशल साइंस का मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। देखिए, ये क्वेश्चन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गैसेस इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के लिए कौन सा रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है, नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। तो राइट आंसर होगा इसका ओजोन। बाकी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है, मीथेन भी होता है, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड भी होता है, बट ओजोन जो है नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल। देखिए, क्वेश्चन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। व्हेन वाज द कैबिनेट मिशन सेंट टू इंडिया बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 3, मार्च 1946। लार्जेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड, पैसिफिक ओशन। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए बायोटिक रिसोर्स। ए बायोटिक रिसोर्स क्या होगा? एयर। ओके। Which Ahom king started the construction of multi-stored तलातल घर in Assam? इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 4, रुद्रा सिंह। Who was the president of the ad hoc committee of Assam Provincial Congress formed in June 1921? इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 1, कुलधर सलिहा। Who wrote the application to Moffat Mills against fixation of high land revenue from the Assamese peasants? Its right answer is option 4, Anandaram Dhekyal Phukan. When did the British Parliament pass the Indian Independence Act? July 1947. When was Purna Swaraj Day celebrated in India? 26 June 1930. Which revolt resulted due to the banning of poppy cultivation in Assam by the British? फुलगुरी धावा। त्रिमूर्ति ऑफ जोनाकी एज पढ़ लीजिएगा। When was IUCN formed? 1948. Which one of the following atmospheric gas cause acid rain? Acid rain क्या होगा? सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड व नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड। Which country's constitution was followed while preparing the Indian constitution with the federal structure? Canada. Who was the viceroy of India during the partition of Bengal? Lord Curzon. Partition of Bengal came into force on 16th October 1905. Who composed song Bande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Muslim League was founded in 1906. When did Chauri Chaura incident take place? 5th February 1922. Dandi March was launched on 12 March 1930. What is the boundary line between India and Bangladesh? Is Red Cliff Line. And India Pakistan is Red Cliff Line. India China is McMahon Line. Who is known as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who led the first revolt against the British in Assam? Gomdhar Kunwar. When did Fulguri Dhawa take place? 1961. Who was the Bengali Mukhtar who helped Maniram Diwan? Madhu Malik. Stamp duty was implemented in 1858. Where was the first session of Assam Association held? In Dibrugarh. When was Jorhat Sarvanik Sabha formed? 1884. When was Gandhi University? When was Guwahati University established? 1948. Who was the first chief minister of independent Assam? Gopinath Bordole. Who wrote the book Katha Gita? Bhattadev. Who wrote this? Sukumar Borkaith. Kirtan Ghosa was written by Shankar Dev. Hornbill festival is celebrated in Nagaland. Who composed Zikir and Jari? Shah Milan, Ajan Pir. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? Natural gas. IUCN was formed in 1948. Kaziranga National Park is a national resource. Which is biotic resource? Plants is biotic resource. And air, water, soil is abiotic resource. World Environmental Day is celebrated on 5th June. Acid rain generally occurs in industrial area. Acid rain is caused by sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide? What is the percentage of carbon dioxide? 0.035%. The global warming is a international problem. What is the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere? 20.94. Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. The Nile River located in Egypt. The total area of Assam 78,438 km. How many districts are there in Brahmaputra Valley? 22. Which is the smallest district in Assam? Dima Hasao. Which is the first oil refinery in Assam? Digboi. How many oil refineries are there in Assam? 4. What is the population density of Assam per square kilometer? 398. Who was the first chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When was UNO formed in 1945? 24 October. Who for first time used the term satyagrah? What its meaning? तो देखिए महात्मा गांधी used first time satyagrah and its meaning is actual meaning is holding on to truth. When was Yandabu Treaty signed? 24 February 1826. Mention two popular literary works of Bhattadeva, Bhagavad Katha and Ratnavali Katha. When did the civil disobedience movement take place in India? 1930. When was Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? 13 April 1990. Next, write the name of the states and countries that surround the state of Assam. तो स्टेट हो जाएगा आपका अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, मेघालय एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. एंड कंट्रीज हो जाएगा भूटान, बांग्लादेश. मेंशन एनी 4 एजेंसी ऑफ यूएनओ, ILO, WHO, UNDP, UNHRC. When did Simon Commission come to India? Who was its leader? तो in 1928 सर जॉन साइमन. ये देख लीजिएगा आप लोग. 2 plays of शंकरदेवा. When was Gandhi Union Pact signed? 1931. When was Assam Association formed? 1903 by Manik Chandra Barua. Mention the land area and population size of Assam. ये देख लीजिएगा. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.